Did you give it gas before?
No, nothing.
The fuel's on?
Yeah. What did you do then? What match put on?
It's on the easy one now.